How to change your address on Teespring. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change address on Teespring. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Teespring account, and then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen you will see a menu displaying some options: home, upgrades, etc. Just navigate through to your settings options and then click on it. Settings is the last option on the list, so once you click on it, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page you'll see name, display name, phone number. When you scroll down, you see change your email, change your password, as well as other things that you can change. But then by the time you scroll up next to your name, you'd see the option change default address. Yeah, you'll see it here. So that is our focus in this tutorial. For you to change this, just come over here into this box, click on it, and then type in your street, as well as the apartment or suite you're living, the city, the state, the zip code, country, and all of that. And then once you're done, scroll down and then click on update info. Then once you click on update info, the address will be changed automatically. All right, so this is how you can change your address on your Teespring account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.